Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Mop Kit for Floor Cleaning includes PowerMop, 2 mopping pad refills, 1 cleaning solution with fresh scent and 2 batteries. 1. Complete KIT. This Swiffer PowerMop kit includes a spray mop, 2 Swiffer PowerMop refills, 1 floor cleaner for mopping with a fresh scent, and 2 batteries for a comprehensive floor cleaning solution. 2. Superior cleaning power. Experience 5x cleaning power with hundreds of scrubbing strips that absorb and lock to fight your toughest messes and get them off your floors. * pad layers versus Swiffer WetJet pads. 3. Smart and fast cleaning. Mop smarter with Swiffer PowerMop and clean your home in half the time versus a mop and bucket. * includes cleaning and drying time. 4. Fresh scent. Reinvigorate your home and enjoy the fresh scent for hours. Leaves behind up to 2 hours of freshness after initial product use. 5. Safe for use across all hard-sealed surfaces. The Swiffer PowerMop is safe. Thanks for watching and subscribe.